Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can turn off parental controls on Fortnite. So it's actually very simple turning off parental controls. You just need to go to your website on Epic Games, and you can do that on your phone, on computer, or anything. You just need to be on your website on Epic Games, and right over here you just need to press on your account and then go to your account. Once you go to your account, it will show something like this. Now you just gotta scroll down until you find the option of parental controls. Just simply press on that, and right over here it will ask you the pin for your parental control. Just simply put in your pin, and once the pin is done, just simply press continue. Now right over here, just simply turn off all these settings and make sure that your Epic Games Store and Fab is set to unrated. Alright, now after that, social permissions, just make sure that your social permission doesn't require any key, and time limit, it doesn't have any time limit, and then time reports are turned off, email preferences are turned off as well, and then Fortnite settings should be on 12 plus, and just make sure that allow creative mode and Unreal, all of these are allowed, and also paid random items. Just make sure these settings are available. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you. I'll see you soon in the next one.